What's going on, YouTube? It's Ben again, and today I'm doing something very stupid. So, apparently 15 of you guys out there decided to subscribe, so now I'm gonna eat one of these. Now, if you don't know me, I absolutely hate mushrooms. I'm going for a tiny one. And, yep, I'm gonna eat this little turd. I'm gonna cut this up. Is that supposed to be that color? Mom, is the inside of a mushroom supposed to be sort of brown?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask my mom one more question about this. Do you eat like the stem? Okay, so my mom told me that you're not supposed to eat the stem. See, this thing's thrown in the garbage. Yep, okay. Bottoms up. Oh. Oh. Yeah. I'm never doing that again.